Ever wondered why sesame oil is considered a superfood? Well, it's time to unveil the secret. Sesame oil, derived from the tiny seeds of the Sesamum indicum plant, is a staple in many global cuisines. Its unique flavor and myriad health benefits have catapulted it to superfood status in the wellness community. From its origins in Africa and India, this golden elixir has journeyed across the world, enriching dishes and boosting health. Now that we've covered the basics, let's delve into the numerous health benefits of this amazing superfood. Sesame oil is not just a cooking ingredient, it's packed with a multitude of health benefits. This versatile oil, rich in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, plays a vital role in maintaining heart health. These healthy fats can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Beyond heart health, sesame oil is a powerful protector against oxidative stress and free radical damage, thanks to its potent antioxidants, sesamol and sesaminol. These antioxidants are vital for our cells, keeping them healthy and functioning optimally. But the benefits of sesame oil don't stop at the cellular level. This nutrient-rich oil is a boon for skin health as well. The vitamin E and antioxidants it contains nourish the skin, promote collagen production, and may help reduce signs of aging. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your skin looking youthful, sesame oil might be your secret weapon. Speaking of beauty benefits, let's talk about hair health. When applied to the scalp, sesame oil nourishes hair follicles, strengthens hair strands, and improves overall hair health. It's a natural, chemical-free solution for luscious locks. Moving on to bone health, sesame oil is a good source of calcium, essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Incorporating sesame oil into your diet could help ensure your skeletal system stays robust. Sesame oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic inflammation or inflammatory conditions. And let's not forget about digestive health. The fiber in sesame oil supports healthy digestion and may help regulate bowel movements, contributing to overall gut health. As for immune support, sesame oil contains zinc, a vital mineral that supports immune function and may help fight off infections. It's like having a little extra armor in your body's defense system. Oil pulling with sesame oil can improve oral hygiene, remove bacteria from the mouth, and promote gum health. And if you're in need of some stress relief, the magnesium in sesame oil might just be what you need to relax your muscles and promote a sense of calm. As you can see, sesame oil is a versatile superfood that can support various aspects of your health. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly recap. Sesame oil is a powerhouse of benefits, enhancing heart health, providing antioxidant protection, and nourishing your skin. It strengthens your hair, promotes bone health, and helps reduce inflammation. It supports digestion, boosts your immune system, improves oral health, and even aids in stress relief. That's a whole lot of perks packed in a single bottle. Next time you're in the grocery store, consider adding a bottle of sesame oil to your cart. Your body will thank you for it.